Hola chicos! Here's another quick video on how to use Quizlet. Some of you probably have used this before, but when you are assigned a Quizlet link, I'll always have a link for you to click on. When you click on that link, it'll open up, for example, something like this. So right now we see our eSACS Spanish 1, words 1 through 60 vocab list. Once you get here, there's lots of ways that you can practice, all right? You can do flashcards, learn, test, blocks, categories, match, and again, lots of this will help you practice your vocabulary. So let's just say, for example, I click on the feature Learn. That's a great one to practice. When you get to Learn, it's going to come up here and it just say, do you want to cram for a test or you want to memorize it all? I'll let you decide, but we're going to go with Memorize It All and click Start Learn. And then it's going to give you several different opportunities here to practice. So for example, it says Good Morning, and you can also play that. All right, and then you can click the answer. Over here it says Buenos dias. All right, and I got it correct. How would you say good afternoon, good evening? So I'm going to click over here, Buenas tardes. All right. What if I click the wrong and say I click Hola? It'll tell me I'm incorrect and lets me try again. So Buenas noches. Okay, so you can continue practicing, and there's lots of different ways you can do this. This is just one of the many features. I can also switch over here to a test. All right, and it lets me have a test. Let's say I want to do, there's up to 62 questions that it could give me. It's at 20. You can change that to 30, whatever you want to change it to. Answer with both Spanish and English. And you can also pick the type of test that you want to do. So let's just tell it, let's have it throw a little bit of everything at us. All right, and then click Start Test. And then as you can see, there's a bunch of opportunities over here to practice. So, and also if you click here, it'll say words for you. All right, so seis, nueve, that is false. All right, let me introduce you to de donde eres, that is false. Me llamo, his or her name is, that is false. ¿Cómo estás, where are you from? That's also false. Lots of false questions here. Same right here, likewise, igualmente, that's true, etc. So as you can see, there's lots of ways to practice on Quizlet. And again, that's also something that you set up an account for during our welcome module. We will use Quizlet quite a bit for practice and also for some assignments. But again, keep in mind, just like Conjuguemos, you can access this anytime you'd like, and it's a great way to practice because, as I've said to you before, a little bit of practice every day is what's really important to learning a second language. I hope this video helps you with using Quizlet. Hasta luego!